Justin Harman #2. Who should subscribe to FFBU?
You got a camera out, must be something. You wanna save that?
Nah, you can keep it if you want. Chris knows what everybody pretty much knows what it is except you.
It doesn't say what it is.
I know you've got to open the box.
Oh. Help me out here, Phil.
Here. There you go.
Come over here.
Now you want to probably open it from, well, obviously either end, but stand it up when you do it.
This way?
I would, yeah. I haven't opened it, so I don't know which way it is.
What is it? Oh, he's got his camera out. It needs to buy a home. What the hell did you do?
Just.
You shouldn't have done anything, Justin. Right. Actually,
It might tear.
oh my God. You did not. Justin, those are expensive.
Don't even talk about that.
What is it?
A Dyson ball vacuum.
What?
Like you need one of T-Mobile's new 4G smartphones.
Those are expensive.
Faster than home internet and with 4G.